Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. You must control the domain's DNS and have the appropriate system. EO plan. Once confirmed, open system. EO and go to Settings Domains to start. Click Add Domain and enter the exact domain you want to use. Make sure to include subdomain if required, for example, shop. My domain. Com. While you're here, keep your hosting DNS panel open because you'll switch to it next to add or CNAME records. Don't close either tab. Now switch to your domain registrar's DNS manager to add the required record system. EO shows. If they ask for a record, point the host to the given IP. If they ask for CNAME, use the specified target. Make sure to delete any conflicting or CNAME entries for the same hostname, otherwise verification will fail. Save changes, then return to system. EO and click Verify Domain. DNS can take minutes to hours, so be patient, but ready to retry verification. Once verification succeeds, set the domain as primary for funnels or storefronts within system. EO and enable SSL. This secures visitor connections automatically. After enabling, test several pages and clear your browser cache or use incognito to see live changes. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is DNS. Confirm records match exactly, wait for propagation using a lookup tool, and remove duplicate records. If propagation looks correct but verification still fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.